This is the pattern block tool that we'll be using for today's exercise. And we are working with a standard set of pattern blocks. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the ones that we're using for this exercise. I'm going to grab a yellow hexagon and drag it onto the workspace. I'm going to grab a red trapezoid and drag it onto the workspace, a blue rhombus, and the green equilateral triangle. Those are the only 4 blocks that we're working with. I'm going to ask you to leave these blocks the color that they are and the size that they are. So even though we have this tool down here at the bottom, which gives us the option of changing colors, I'm going to ask you to not change the colors. Leave them the way they are. And down here we have an option of changing the size. I'm going to ask you to leave the sizes because we're going to be looking at portions and fractions and proportions, and we need them to stay the original size. Now, if I want to add another triangle, I can do 2 things. I can go grab a triangle, bring it out here, or another thing I can do is I can go down here and duplicate. And every time I click the duplicate, I get another triangle. You will find that very helpful when you're building your recipe. You might want to put out all the blocks before you start designing them. Now, the other thing that you can do with this is when you drag your pieces and you try and put them together, you can change the direction of them. And when you're putting them together, you'll notice that they will snap to grid if you get them kind of in the right spot. See how that one snapped to grid? So like this guy here, I'm going to get him the way I think he should go. And when I move him in there, he's going to kind of adjust to be in the correct spot. So that's all there is for this tool. I hope you enjoy this activity.